cold outside, it's raining, it's been raining all night long. So today I'm going to be in the kitchen baking a bread, but a keto bread. So the recipe for today is a keto garlic breadstick. So it's very easy to make. It only takes 10 minutes to bake. Great as an appetizer, great for a side dish, great to accompany any meal as well. So if you're interested to see me make a keto garlic breadstick, then let's get started.
It's cheese.
Low carb, sugar free, no grains, great if you're a paleo diet, great if you're on the keto diet, obviously if you're wanting to maintain ketosis, but even those who aren't can easily make this as a substitute for the normal breadsticks. It's tasty and it's so delicious. So I've left the recipe in the description box below. Easy to follow, easy to read. If you do decide to make these cheesy garlic breadsticks, then please leave your comments below. Let me know how you went. And on that note, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these very simple and easy low carb breadsticks. And if you did and you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching.